Have you guys ever heard of a solution or the states of matter or density? These are all science terms, but do you guys really know what they are? I'm going to be showing you guys some experiments today. So the first one is for solutions. You're going to get a glass and fill it up with some water. Then you're going to take some vegetable oil and you're going to put a little bit in there. And there's a different color so you can kind of see the difference. So as you can see, the vegetable oil is kind of this like yellowish, and this is the water. The vegetable oil is on the top. And you're gonna take a few drops of food coloring, about 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're gonna see eventually that they will sink, the food coloring will sink down to the bottom. Now the food coloring has dropped down. So the food coloring went through the glass and it went through the corn syrup, and now the food coloring is at the bottom, the water's in the middle, and the corn syrup or the vegetable oil is at the top. This is my solution experiment. Okay, this is my next experiment, which is on density, which is the substance of its mass per unit volume, which means if it's more dense, it'll sink. If it's less dense, it'll stay to the top. So I got some water in here, and this is just plain water, cold water, and I'm gonna take some corn syrup, and the corn syrup you can kind of see is a little bit thicker, so this'll show. So this is the corn syrup, and you can kind of see it at the bottom. So take some corn syrup and see how it all sunk to the bottom. And here's the water right here ending, and this is the corn syrup. So it all sunk. Then you're gonna take some vegetable oil and put that on the top. And that's all gonna rise. So this is the corn syrup, this is the water, and this is the vegetable oil. The vegetable oil is less dense, so it stays at the top. The water is middle, and the corn syrup is the most dense. This is my density experiment. There are 4 states of matter. The first one is a solid. Ice is a solid. A solid is when the molecules that make up a solid are arranged in regular repeating patterns, and they are held firmly in place. So they are hard, strong, and this is a solid of water. The next state of matter is a liquid. This is liquid water. It is when the molecules made up in a liquid flow easily around one another, and the liquid takes the shape of the container. So you can see that the water takes the shape of the bowl. But if this was like a square container, the water would fill the shape of that. So this is the liquid state of matter. The next state of matter is a gas. As you can see, this is just boiling water, but you can see the gas coming up. A gas is when the molecules that make up a gas fly in all directions at great speeds. They are so far apart that they attract forces between them that are insignificant. So this is the gas state of matter for water. The last state of matter is plasma. Plasma is at very high temperatures of stars, atoms lose their electrons, and a mixture of electrons that result in plasma state of matter. But it's also in the earth. But this is a fluorescent light bulb, and plasma is in here. These are some science experiments that can help you learn about all this stuff in a fun way. It's easy to do, but you can also do it at home. Thanks for watching.